All right, I got some more little blind boxes. This is the Polly Pocket Tiny Takeout Reveal. Basically, they're all just like little takeout boxes that have like a little car and a little Polly Pocket. So, don't really care what we get. I'm gonna have to like destroy this box to open it though. We got the little cherry basket, and then you open it up. Has a little pie car. That's so cute. Then we have a little cherry and a little whipped cream packet. Oh gosh, this is tiny. This came with a little basket, some tiny little cherries, and a little pie. And then see what's in here. This is the character. So here's the little Polly Pocket girl. It's not focusing. She can sit in the car. These are really cute, and they're perfect for kids because they close up and they can bring them in the car or on the go.